Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of OrderForward for PopItUp. Today we're going to cover installation and configuration. So to go ahead and install OrderForward for PopItUp, what you want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and you're going to perform a search here for OrderForward for PopItUp, the title as you see it. This will open up OrderForward for PopItUp here, and then what you're going to want to go ahead and do is say add to Chrome. So we're going to then go ahead and add that to our Chrome instance. It's important to note when you're adding any extension to Chrome that you make sure that the account which you have here that you're using or that you are logged into the Chrome Web Store as is the same account here that you are actually using Chrome as. You can see here mine are the same. So once we've added that, then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and configure it. So what we'll do here is let's jump over to our PopItUp Orders tab. You can see I've already got this installed, but I'll cover installing and setting this up for you. So once you've got that installed and it's added to Chrome, the next thing you're going to do is configure it. We're going to click on this icon up here. So this is the PopItUp logo, and this is going to open up our installation and configurations tab. And I'll cover in a separate video what all of these mappings are, different settings. We're just going to kind of cover the basics right now. So if you scroll to the bottom, and let's click Use Defaults. And when we click Use Defaults, it's going to give us this message. And we're going to click Yes. And it's going to go ahead and configure all of our default settings for you. Once you first load it, you'll realize that all of these are blank. And it's going to go ahead and fill all that out for you and set all the other affected settings. Once that's done, that's all you have to do. It automatically saves it. Why it's important that you make sure that your accounts are correct between Chrome Web Store and what you're using Chrome as is that these settings are saved in Chrome memory space, a place called Chrome Sync. So anywhere that you log into Chrome from here with your user account, it's going to load this extension with these settings. So you're going to then go ahead and have all of your settings populated for you. And as you make changes, they'll move between different computers because they're all synced through Chrome, so that will all load automatically for you. So now that that's done, that's all you have to do to go ahead and begin using OrderForward for PopItUp. You're just going to go ahead and go to your orders page here for PopItUp, and once you have an order, this is a sample order I've created, you can go ahead and use any of these buttons. If you don't see the buttons, make sure that your invoiced checkbox is not checked. That's a common mistake. We check that off automatically for you, and we don't show buttons when it is checked, so that way you don't double invoice people by mistake. From here, you're all set. You can go ahead and click any of these PayPal, Square, or Bless buttons, or sign up if you're using if you're a LuLaRoe consultant. If not, then obviously just PayPal and Square are probably only relevant for you. And go ahead and begin invoicing. So we hope you enjoy, and thank you very much for your time.